June 17th, 2023. It's my first time fishing today. Diving. Jesus.
Hold it like out.
Just toss it in there. We'll see what happens. If we lose it, I'm sorry. Water skiing. It's actually a pretty decent crappie.
Yeah.
Oh, look at his lip. Crappie.
Crappie rappy. Not even worth getting my hands dirty.
Double on. Another little guy. Ooh, you got a nice one though. You got a keeper. That's a good sized crappie. Hooked them all up in the top of his head. It's okay, we don't need record breakers to get a good meal. On pick. Oh, he spiked me.
He did?
Yeah.
Yeah. That sucks.
That's right. My whole rod just came apart. Oh, let's figure this out.
And have lily pads all in it. Nice
It's a
crappie.
nice crappie. Perfect. Oh.
Fish on.
Nice crappie. I like it when they flick you with their tongue. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh.
A little largy?
Yeah, first bass of the trip. For us, I don't know. We'll see what Julian's got. Oh, I matched you. He's got some heft. Yeah, you want a picture or no? Just a little guy. Those teeth in there. In Maine, you're supposed to just kill them.
Yep.
Catch one of these puppies in Caribou Pond, they want you to just take it and fucking... What's the word they use to say it nicely? Dispatch it.
Yeah.
That's what they want you to do with green crabs, too.
Why?
Because they're an invasive species and it's killing all the clams up there. Look at those teeth in there.
Yeah, those are big ones.
The clam fishermen will literally go out at like midnight during low tide and there's gonna be a sunfish that's slightly larger than the lure.
Fuck.
Get back out there. Oh,
Solid.
that's a keeper. Splash. Oh, might as well get this shit back. I like it better when my lunch doesn't flop around the boat. Go ahead, flick me with your tongue. That's what your kind always does.
The window.
Window licker.
What's that, 7?
Yeah. Ah, the fish fillet table.